Okay, so welcome to Lovart. Lovart is a new system. It's in beta at the moment, and in order to access it, you will need an invitation code or to register for the waiting list and then get access. Um, and I will try and get an invitation code for you guys, and it will, if I do, it will be down here in the description of this video. So what we do here basically is that we have here a design agent. That's how they call it, the world's first design agent. And basically, we can ask it to design anything we would like. You can see here that where we can start typing with it, we have upload image, and we can also use searching the web. And we have here our menu, very simple menu for now: home, projects, and profile. And below that, we have here a lot of different stuff that people already did, and we can look at it and we can check. And one of the nice things about it is that we can stand on any of these that people from the community have created and shared with us, and we can just click view, and it will take us into a page inside the system where we can see exactly what happened. So this is like a video that shows us from the moment of the first prompt that the user used, and we can just go along with it, or we can click here, go to results, and go to the end of it. And if we go back to the beginning, just to understand, then this is what the user asked. In this case, eye-catching packaging for coffee brands, Pug Coffee with 3D mock-ups of boxes and bags, 6 images, 3 box designs, 3 bag designs with bold graphics and eco-friendly vibes. Okay, so that was a very simple and straightforward first prompt. And you can see that on this left side, we have this kind of a canvas, and on the right side is basically the agent and us talking with the agent. So the first thing that he did is it went to get a design and try to think how to do all of this, and used a knowledge base to understand like what it should do and how it should do and so on. And then after that, it generated the images. So it gave 6 packing designs according to what the user asked. It used ChatGPT image, the new image model, in order to do this, and it put all of them here in the canvas for the user, for us to look at. So you can see all the different ones, and of course we can zoom in and we can zoom out, and we can look at one by one. This looks very nice. This one also looks nice. I mean, very, very nice packaging design, very nice stuff. And then probably out of this, you can either choose one and continue working with it. In this case, what it did is it said to it, now create 3 fun designs for Pug Coffee. So it went on and done a little bit more research and stuff, and reached these 3 ideas, which are much more fun designs than what we saw before, but very cool. I love this one, actually. Um, and um, and then after that, it told him create 3 different designs for Pug Coffee using earthy tone with soft browns color, minimalist. Okay, and then it got to here. Look how beautiful this is. This is like really, really very modern and very good looking designs. And then from here, I guess it just continued with packaging designs. So we see these packaging designs on based on same idea until it got to its general idea, and so on and so forth. It continues and continues, and look what kind of beautiful stuff it made on this idea. Okay, so here's like a design for a place, even a design for a logo. How will it look like? Maybe even a picture for the website, another nice picture for the website, or even for the design of the place. And of course, you can continue like this and iterate with it and do a lot of nice stuff. We can add here a video, we can add here more images, more ideas, websites, and stuff like that. And if I see something that I like that some other user did, I can always click on try it now. And what it will do is it will take me to my page where I can basically start also using the same prompt that the user did, and then move on from there. Okay, so there are a lot of very nice options here in this case. And in my case, what I did is I tried to do two options. Let me just delete this. We don't need it. So I just did 2 tests. One, I just took and asked it to redesign and think of a new design for my website, White Hot Consultancy. And it basically gave me this, first of all, these 4 different logos to choose from. And I chose this one. And then it started making this logo with the name of the company, a color palette, a typography system, and like a business card, which looks very nice. And then after that, it started building the website, the homepage on mobile. Then I asked for it for a wireframe, And from there, I also asked for a T-shirt just to see like where we can take this. So it gave me two types of T-shirts. One is this blue one, and one this white one with the back with this nice feather. So very cool stuff, and we can really take like any idea that we have and iterate on it and move forward and get merchandise, websites, ideas, logos, everything, and everything is related into the same subject that we're talking about. So it's really agentic on one hand, but also we can see all the designs and everything. Now, the system is basically divided into two sides. We have the side of the designs and everything that we can see, and we also have the side of all the prompts and basically talking to the agent. And here on this side, we have on the bottom, next to where we speak with the agent, we have a few options that I would like you to know. It's very interesting. Of course, the one option that we already saw also in the homepage is we can add an image as reference. Another thing that we can do is we can use style. So we can go in here and choose any style we want to from a list that they have here of a lot of different styles for the pictures, for the images. And we can, of course, also use internet search. And another nice thing is if we click on this button here, then we can go into custom mode and we can open the custom mode. And basically here we can choose which models of image, video, or 3D we want to use or let the agent use. So at the moment, everything is checked, as you can see here. But if, let's say, I want to only work with GPT image 1, and I don't want the Flux images at all, or Imagen 3, or Recraft, or ideogram, I can delete all of them and just leave the GPT image 1, or on the opposite. Or if I go here, then I can say I don't want Kling and Halio. I just want VO3, VO2, and Runway Gen 4. So there's a lot of customization that you can do here in this system, and a lot of things that you can change around and play with. And it basically is kind of first design agent that I know of. Very nice and very cool system. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. The only thing I have at the moment is the invitation code that I got in order to check it out. And beside that, I have no relationship to them. So I'm not biased or anything like that. Another option that I was trying is I took one of the templates from the system from one of the users, and I try to see if I can make the same kind of idea, Fairy Tale Princess podcast, and also do it in a different language. So here I did it in Hebrew. It worked out very nice. There are some adjustments that needs to be done, but of course you can also do videos, you can do podcasts with different ideas, and a lot of other different options that they have here. So it's really one big place that you can do a lot of design, a lot of ideas, throw out stuff, move forward with stuff, and then use them. I'm for sure going to try this out a little bit more to try and understand more. One of the things that is always hard for me in these systems is the credit system. So I personally think that right here, just by the way, in the beginning, in the free you get 500 credits, and when you sign up, you get an extra 500, so you have 1,000 credits, and you can start working. For me, when I did these two stuff here, I already wasted like 1,500 credits. So just take that in consideration. The pricing here, I mean, $19 for 2,000 credits when 1,500 or 1,600 credits would go out on two things that I do. I don't know how good that is, but on the other hand, a lot of the credits were gone on the video side. So maybe if you don't use the video, but you use other stuff that they have here more, then you can use more and do more than two designs or two projects for this price. But I would recommend for them, if they can hear me, to change a little bit of pricing or add some credits, because I think it's a little bit too low. But other than that, this system is really cool. A lot of nice things that you can do, and you can just look here and see like stuff that people did. If it's podcasts of Einstein, podcasts with Yeti and Monkey, the Pug Coffee that we saw. Look at this beautiful watch that someone did. Ideas for application for a fitness app. A lot of very cool ideas that people come up with, and it will also help you come up with your own ideas and stuff that you want to do. So I think it is worth checking out, and hope you enjoyed, and recommend for you to try it. See you in the next one. Thank you.